actually. Sun hot morning, just light. Me I head to the farm now. 45 here giving some trouble like. You wanna come? Yeah, so we put him back inside. Yeah, for real. And there we got the rising sun as usual. But here, we're heading to the farm now. So, I'm going down the road. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We're going now. No, sir.
So that's a chicken, not a fowl?
What episode me there? I think episode 4 me I got there now. Yeah, man.
Gotcha.
They I walk go to the farm, you know the ways. Yeah, man. They I take a walk to the farm. Yeah, see what's happening. I've been connecting my virgin but no answer, so let's see how it's turn out. Yeah, man. As you can see, we in the bush now. Heading to the farm. Yeah. Yeah, man. Some goats. I see some goats. You know goats? Yeah, man. Those are goats. See? Jamaican goats eating. Yeah. Got one more over there. And one more there. See? There you get the money. Yeah, man. Yeah, I know actually I must like when you see it. Yeah, when you start to get a better quality and stuff, it's all about improve your it. So each month, or should I say maybe every 2 months, I think the channel should get better and better quality and all those stuff, you know what I mean? Yeah, so just make sure you keep on tuning in, like, share and comment and watch the full video. Nobody click on it and then you leave. Watch the full video, is it? Yeah, man. For real, man. Walking. Gotta keep on walking. Yeah, man. For real. Yeah, man. Just have to take it easy. Do a couple minutes out of walking. Maybe an hour out of walking, but it's all about safeness. So for all of you who want to come to Jamaica and skier, no, man, you gotta give it a try. Sunrise is here. It's all about realness, niceness, and fun when you come around sunrise. You know? Yeah, man, for real. Real talk, brother. Yeah, sunrise in Salmon. Yeah, for real. Just I give you some little walking tour. Yeah, man, those the cow, man.
Oh, shit.
What you say, oh, shit?
Oh, my God.
Oh, my God. Yeah, man, those are the
Chilling
cows.
on the countryside.
Just chilling in the countryside on the way to the farm. Some cows. Yeah, man.
Huge.
Big old cow, man.
So those are for the beef, right? Or
Yeah.
is it for the milk? Yeah.
Those are the milk and the beef.
Both, yeah.
Yeah, both. The milk and the beef. Yeah, man, Jamaican monster cow.
Gonna have a good time at the farm.
Okay, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
No, see, generally, you know, it's episode 4. Yeah, with the good quality stuff now. You know those way? We have all these weed and stuff ready to cut out. Ready to harvest. Yeah, man, all these are purple skunk. These are some mad weed. Insane, man. Yeah, and what thing you gotta do is just follow me on Instagram and send me a message, and you can tour the farm with some cash and enjoy yourself, you know what I mean? All these places ready to harvest. And coming from way back down was all weed and stuff, so we cut out and start. Look at this purple skunk. Yeah, you see? That's a purple skunk. Look at this. Yo, see purple here, though. This is a fucking purple skunk, man.
Yeah.
Don't fuck with that, man.
So
So everything when you tell me, say, yeah, show me a bush, me have it tears. You see?
Yo.
Yeah.
Them already fit, you know? Them already
Them a fit, yeah, man. I just wait the G, I wait the general go there, something I deal with, man. Yeah, man. Sure. Next purple skunk. Wicked. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, man, me soon come, man. Look at it, purple skunk, man. Wow. Yeah, man, the boss said wow.
It smells insane.
Okay. Yeah, that the smell is insane. Yeah. What you say, sit down here, so now, bro? Oh, yeah, man, purple
fucking
skunk.
thing is mad.
Purple green.
This is fucking dangerous.
Yeah. Look at it.
Because
Purple
the bud
and
them
green.
big.
Bud
Brother.
big and fat.
Them are the normal man.
Yeah. None of your boy them
People.
up, look at no, none of your boy them up so we plant.
Them no
Can't
see
complain
nothing
nothing to for me, brethren.
Yeah.
Them man I me give you props.
None of them not even because
Big on for them something, man. Me I talk like all your uncle.
Oh, yeah, man.
Your uncle now have no feel look like this, cause you don't know why. You don't have the water. Maybe if he have the water, him don't have it. Next purple skunk.
You see that? Them man teach you a little bit, you know.
Yes, man.
But you so fucking good.
Yeah, best. Can I stop take picture and video, man? Yeah. Yo, man, tell them where your Instagram is so they can check it out.
CFASCI_18. CFASCI18.
Okay.
Follow me.
Follow the boss, okay? And you don't know, you gotta check out Sunrise. Sunrise Weed. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's the G that bringing my camera and stuff.
So when I buy bud, this is what I want every time. Every time I expect this every time. I expect this every time in
Every
America.
time in America, but you're gonna pay some crazy dollars for that in America.
Yeah, that's big boy money.
Big boy money. Look at this, my friend.
Not normal.
Big boy money. Yeah, man.
Bro.
And to be honest, the whole plants like this, you see like how
This is
it's
black
the
skunk?
original purple skunk. If you come to Jamaica and come to the farm, a purple skunk like this, the whole plant, you can give the farmer at least a $50 US and you get the whole plants. Yeah, because it's high grade, man.
Yeah, look on it, man.
Yeah.
Look at the top of the thing, man. Old tree is fancy.
Yeah, man.
Old tree is fancy. Man, yo. Yo.
Can't have smell it, man. Look at it. Everything is purple.
Everything.
Everything is purple.
The whole plant.
Look at it. Talking about high grade. I just do not know the strength. I only know in Jamaica we got purple and green. And we know that the purple is wicked.
Hell yeah. Do they know?
Hell yeah. That's
Feel the body. Feel
the body stuff, man.
The body so fucking fat and big.
So fluffy. Bro. That smells like
Imagine, look
Man,
at this.
things like these make you don't want to go back to America, man.
Seriously.
You just want to buy a house in Jamaica if you have the money and live.
Build a house next to you guys.
Yeah.
Just cool, man.
Yo, that's what you see. You see that's why you see up a free boy up a Wally. So I have to go Mickey spend some money on Wally.
Because then can get it.
And that, yeah.
You get the control, no.
So I have to go Mickey make some money and take Wally to the yard. Make a room, put him down there. Ask Maddie I wash for him and me cook for him. When he's dead, me bury him.
Fucking things you make you don't want to leave the place.
Seriously.
Yeah, man. Strictly high grade, man. All these is ready to harvest. Look. Yeah.
I got this over something that I know yeah.
Yeah, man. That's why I say, my name not go left here, no. My name not left here, my G.
To get the pump, my lad.
Nah, can't nobody something, you know, man. I'm go you, my daddy, me can't come my general farm, you know, because realness, me deal, you know, straight. Yeah, man. And like the visitor, then you can come and tour the farm, but I ain't bringing any friends. You gotta be my real linky, my real general. And
No squares.
yeah, for real. But as long as you're a visitor to Jamaica, and I see that you're honest and you're clean, you can check out my farm. Yeah, man.
Insane.
Insane, man.
It's not playing around.
Yeah.
That's sweet. That's sweet.
Yeah, man. I'm in the purpose conch bed, man, my friend.
What did you say? Right, so it's time to
Yo,
Overfit.
yo, all me where you said the upside bun all in the bush weed. I lick more.
Them is giant up. It's overfit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so
So it's time to cut it, right?
yeah, time to cut it.
Wow.
And the buds are catching a little thing, but they are ready.
That's nuts.
Yeah. They are ready. Look at this.
It's falling over.
Yeah.
Because it overload, man.
Look. It's so
Alright, a tree. Okay, a tree like this now, it got at least maybe a pound. And in Jamaica, they say you must have 5 weed plants in your yard, and if they catch you with more than 2 ounces, you're gonna get charged. And look at this plant.
look at it.
This plant is more than 2 ounces, and they say you're gonna get charged.
We like what going. Like what the fucking going on.
Huge buds.
Yo, man, right now, you know, man. I just so want to deal with up so. But I could have signed, you see me, they know when someone
Yeah.
do this, you there there, so I work now, come I sign it to them, I come.
That's how the oil started.
Oh, the oil. Show them on your finger.
THC oil.
Yeah,
Oh, right there, right there. Just from touching it.
just from touching
That's
it.
insane.
You still get your amount of weed this more.
Yeah.
You can put this like on your cigarette.
Yeah.
And it
Yeah.
gets you high.
All you see all these cut out.
Fucked up. So like this bud's moldy.
Yeah, look at this one, my friend. It's all about niceness and fun. Lot of purpose conch. Look at this one. Lot of purpose conch. Yo, I love this camera so much. Yeah, look at it. That's purpose conch, and you got the sun rising there, man. Don't play with that. Look, all purpose conch. Yeah, man. Sunrise boss, here. I go easy and I hold it. Smoking ganja and I hold it. Hey, that is one of the licensing, man.
Wait, what?
That is one of the the one that licensed.
Oh, a licensed farm?
Yeah. Yeah, over there is a license farm.
Yeah. You know,
Yeah, whenever you go up on the
that
hill,
place, right?
yeah, you can see it more better. Yeah. Look over here, man. Lot of high grade. Strictly high grade. Yeah. Look at this purple skunk again, my friend. The purple skunk is insane. Look at that, my friend. Naturally, my friend. Purple skunk. Yeah, easy. Yeah, and the boss is over there with my Linky, chilling. All these is friend. All these is weed, my friend. And you know this is episode 4. So you know episode 5 is gonna be better than episode 4 because I got a better quality camera, as you can see. Yeah. Look here, we got all plants drop on the ground, man. Look over here. Plants drop on the ground. Yeah, man, is it? We go further up, further up. How long should I give you these video? Wonder, man. Oh fuck. How long should I give you? Huh? How long you want the video? Hmm? How long you want the video? Like 20 minutes, 30 minutes? I soon let it see, man. Yeah. You say you find a mango nani, man?
Yeah, this is one more mango nani. This.
Yeah, that mean it smell like mango and tastes like mango.
Yeah.
Look at it, mango nani.
This one break down, but it's okay.
Okay,
See?
whenever I'm going home, I'm bringing this one, my friend. Look at it. I'm gonna hang it up in my guest
You
room.
can take it off on this one.
Yeah, man. Just making something we comfy.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, the G come. Not true, me and my good friend. When him come now, look at this. So, you see, true, you have the farm big. And you something so I don't know if you have 2 plants that are 7 plants.
No, you never really like us, nothing now.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I don't want to touch up more from
Mango nani. Right?
Yeah.
Is this mango nani? Or no?
Which one is that?
Is that purple stuff? Yeah. Mango nani?
You know it now.
When you say he's right,
Yeah,
that's
he's not-
mango
yeah.
nani. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you
I'm
know
soon find the right guest that know every weed.
Right.
As he come and touch this one, he say, "Oh, this is a chicle."
this-
Yeah,
this is the
we're
same.
gonna find a guest that know the right.
These two is the same thing.
The one? The purple one, they look like what we call Girl Scout cookies.
Girl Scout.
Girl Scout cookies.
Oh,
I'll show you when we get into Wi-Fi.
okay. Yeah, and please, if you know the name of these weedies, just let me know because I don't really know it. In Jamaica, we know it as the green, stick and the purple stick, and the purple stick is more better. Look at this.
That strain in America is always like people are always looking for that. Girl Scout cookies. That's a big ticket item.
Yeah, and that would be nice if I have it in my farm.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, for real.
Why don't you hit this guy up and be like, yo, let me get some seeds.
Oh, yeah.
Yo.
Gotta pay some crazy
Have to
cash.
go get-
Yeah, you better strike.
But them boy give you what's the difference? Boy,
Just gonna dry house.
you got there?
African fine.
You want me to light up?
Boy, I can't find.
Real, original, red Jamaican.
The real deal.
The real deal.
Yo, one of these bodies the $2 fucking $100 my youth or more.
Yeah man, them a body no sell 50 bag or 100 bag.
No, them about a $500 buds. Fucking $500 buds, man.
Easy.
Yeah, local don't smoke them here. We can't sell locals these.
You can't?
Yeah, we can do it, but it better we sell
Alright.
somebody more big because we get bigger cash.
Come here. Took my eat down this. I want to see how what. See it? What? Something I eat down while I read.
Oh, this was an animal that ate this?
Yeah. Fucking dead. Is a cutter, you know?
Oh, wait, animal eating weed?
Yeah, is a cutter. What you can
Yo, sir.
Hello, yo.
You remember about the flowers, man?
Yeah, man.
Rat. It's a
Reggie, me
rat.
can't take no call from me, no, sir.
Yes, eat and eat out.
No, yeah, man. No flowers place no open yet, man. Nice.
Alright. Try remember deal with that. Little bit.
Energy.
The rat, them get to that saying up again.
Mm.
Them don't want cut them over.
Wow.
This one is really.
Look, tree. See? Tree in the root. And the tree of them is purple skunk.
Touch him. The whole day I go.
Bro, you could use this as cologne.
Yeah,
So
man.
good.
But it's in the low.
Coming into smoking the room, I know, man.
Yeah.
Look at this mad rasta.
Man, we love this fucking shit, huh?
So what would you have to pay for seeds to get purpose good?
All like $50.
How much?
Like $50.
For how much?
Like how I know you as a friend, I will give you for like 50, but maybe if I don't know you, I will say like maybe
200,
yeah.
300,
Yeah, man.
500,
Bec-
1,000.
It all depends how you look and
It's who you know,
yeah.
how you present yourself. What is that?
Mhm.
Yeah.
You see it? Joining.
Fell right over.
All those is weed. And all these where I'm showing you and coming from is ready to harvest.
Bro. These we gonna smoke them, you taste them, just be fucking insane. Yeah.
So when it dries, it tastes just the same as we smell. Right?
Come on. So just like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. You know, it's Sunrise Boss. Yeah, man. All type of ganja we have here, man. Yeah.
This is the biggest you have. How old is this?
Yeah, and all these weed you see, this is like 3 months. Yeah, like if we plant it in January, we give it February, March, and by April, it's ready to reap. Look at this dry weed. Yeah, but look. Some purple skunk. In Jamaica, we call this the powerful weed. Yeah, man, the strong weed. Because in Jamaica, we got the green stick and we got the purple stick. That's how we mark it. This is the purple stick and there is the green stick. So the purple stick is more better and better. Yeah. Yeah, man, is it? Yeah, this is 20 minutes. Maybe I give you to 25. Yeah, a lot of stuff. Look at this. Yeah, this is a perfect skunk I'm telling you about. Yeah, see? Yeah, man. Look at it. Man. Nice purple skunk. Yeah, purple skunk. Yeah, man, look at this. Yeah, and remember all these is ready to harvest. And in 3 months time we harvest in Jamaica. Why? Because we got the good soil and stuff like that, so we can harvest in 3 months time. Yeah. Look at this. Right now my hand is very sticky. Yeah, remember to check out my Instagram, Sunrise Weed. Yeah. Yeah, man. Just like, share, and comment and subscribe. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, just like, share, comment, and subscribe. And one love to you all. And check out my Instagram, Jamaican Sunrise TV. That's my YouTube channel. And my Instagram is Sunrise Weed. Yeah, man. Okay, peace and love to you. You can tour the farm, just link up with Sunrise Boss and pay a little fee and tour the farm and leave with some weed. You know how the thing set. Yeah, man. The man himself. So, until those time, it's gonna be peace and it's gonna be love. So, just gonna share my videos and keep on tuning to the channel and tell your friend about it. Okay? One love. I'm out.